Do you want to join the League of Bestsellers on Amazon? Do you want to know how to get the best selling book to model on Amazon so that you can join the best selling league? If you are interested, let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Julia, and on this segment I want to show you guys how you can niche down to be able to get the best-selling book to model on Amazon. First off, what is niching down? As you can see on your screen, this is just the definition of niching down done in layman's English, like in the layman's words. I would say it's just you going down to the barest minimum to find out the best-selling book that you can model in the sense of like copy, not like necessarily that you're copying the exact thing the original author has. Like I'm picking some vital points or facts that make the book a bestseller. Okay, now let's get started. You understand better. Now go to your incognito window, or the incognito window. Open it. Now type non sorry on the sidebar you type Amazon best sellers non-fiction. So here this is for someone who wants to model a non-fiction book. If you're checking to see the bestsellers on fiction book, what you are going to put here is Amazon bestseller fiction. Okay, so that you can see fiction books, best-selling fiction books. But here we are working on non-fictions, so that's why we are using Amazon bestseller non-fictions. Okay, now click on this first one. Okay. Now go to address, change your location to anywhere in US. Okay, I'm using 1001. That's New York zip code, so you can use anywhere in US that you want to use. So me, I'm using New York, so you just click on apply, continue. You can see the location has changed. Okay, the location has changed. Now look at what we are talking about when we talk about niching down. Now you can see that we are on Kindle ebooks. Now we are under it we have non-fictions. Then when you come to non-fiction, you see that we have different genres, you have different categories, we have different subcategories. So niching down means going to the list of this, okay, where you can no longer see subcategories. Then if you're searching for best-selling books, you can't just start from here. Okay, it's already giving us best-selling books, but you cannot just start from here. You have to niche down to be able to get the correct thing. Now let's say we want to model a book on business and money. You click on it. Now under business and money, you can see we have a lot of categories, a lot of subcategories. Okay, so you can't not just choose something from here to model. You have to keep on niching down. Now let's say we want to work on business development and entrepreneurship. You click on it, and under it we still have other ones. Now let's say we want to work on entrepreneurship. Under entrepreneurship we have advert, management and startup. Now let's work on startup. Now, as you can see, under startup, we don't have any other subtitle, sorry, any other subcategory. This means we have niched down to the barest minimum, that to the lowest. So we don't have any other thing. This is also applicable to every other niche you need to work on. For you to get the best selling book to work on, you have to niche down to the list, okay, to be able to get what you are looking for. Now, let's say we want to model any of these. Um, let's see what we have here. Buy back your time. Let's click on it and see. You see is a bestseller. Now, here, if you have extensions like DS Amazon Quick View or self-publishing Titan or installed as an extension on your browser, here you'll be able to see the best seller rank here. But in a situation where you don't have such extensions, you have to go down, okay, go down to this place to be able to see the BSR. Okay, and the BSR of this particular book is 3,602, which is very good. Okay, so here is the work of the extensions that I mentioned previously. If you have them added to your Chrome, this is what they do. They will bring out the information you are looking for easily. The BSR, the bestseller rank of this particular book, is 14,662, which is very good. So when you're looking for a book to model, always check on BSR. Make sure it's not more than 20,000. Okay, any book 20,000 below is good to model. Okay, so then let's check how many people, how many competitors we have on this particular topic. Okay, let's check. What you need to do is to copy the book title and go to search, and paste it, then search. Okay, oh, now you see the results here. Look at the result. So this book is nice to model. Okay, it doesn't have much competitors. So whenever you are working on a book, make sure the competitors are no more than 700 competitors. So let's click on this particular book. I want to show you something. This particular book is equally ranking on the same niche with the first one that we checked. I want to show you something. Now here, look at the bestseller rank of this particular book is 2.4 million. A book with this type of ranking, you can see that is not doing so, that when you model a book like this, you won't be able to make sales. Okay, you won't be able to make sales. Let's check on the competition. Okay, the competition is equally good, but the bestseller rank is very, very bad. So you won't be able to make sales. It's not good for modeling. That is just what I'm trying to show you. Okay, you won't be able to make sell. So let's check another one. Let's go back to this page. The Main Street. All these books here are bestsellers under startup. Okay, they are ranking well under startup. Let's check this one. Now, This particular one is equally ranking well, 15,669. So it's ranking well and is good for modeling. You can model it, you can write something this similar. Just copy the topic, the book title, rephrase it, make it your own, enhance it. It must not be the exact thing the author has. So just rephrase it, pick the keywords there, make them your own. Okay, make them your own. Then go to the introduction. Look at the catchy words the author used. Look at how the instruction is. With it, you can also prepare your own introduction, I mean to say. So look at the author's introduction, pick the keywords and use it on your own. Okay, and again, we look at the book cover. How does it look? The design. You can also pick something from the book cover to add to your own. Okay, then also open the book sample and look at how the author plotted his book and equally use the sample. Okay, and when you get it all right, you will definitely be ranking well, probably a bestseller on Amazon. So thank you so much for coming this far. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Leave a comment and a like, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye.